Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking in scale and a clear base. Set the canvas to 2000 by 2000 px and 300 dpi so edges stay sharp. Draw your primary logo silhouette with Quick Shape or the pen tool on layer 1. Once done, duplicate that base 3 times to build depth. Make sure each duplicate sits above the original and rename layers to base, mid, front. This gives you controlled geometry to extrude and shade later. The duplicates let you offset without destroying the original. Now you create the 3D illusion. Offset each duplicate slightly, 3 to 8 pixels depending on size, and align them to form the extrusion. Use the transform tool to nudge each layer. Once spacing looks consistent, merge the extrusion layers into one but keep a copy hidden. For lighting, add a shading layer above the merged extrusion set to multiply at about 40 to 60% and paint soft shadows where faces meet. This simulates depth and readies the surface for highlights. Finish by adding a clipped highlight layer. Use a soft brush at low opacity to paint rim light and top-facing highlights so the form reads as solid. Once done, apply a subtle Gaussian blur to highlights and shadows to remove banding and nail the photoreal look. If you see jagged edges, select the merged logo, expand the selection by a pixel or 2, and feather 1 to 3 pixels before masking. This fixes aliasing without losing crispness. Export PNG with transparency preserved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.